Hey, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver, and today we're going to have another trading session with binary options on Quotex, the platform where I trade. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment if you like the content. All the necessary information is going to be in the description to this video, such as the link to the Quotex where I trade and also a link to a Telegram group where you can join and follow instructions, signals, and just learn about trading in general and specifically with binary options. Let's get to the video. Okay, so today guys, we're gonna start with $78 and we're gonna try our luck with the 1 minute, and I'm gonna go in with put option here straight away because the stochastic, as you can see, is showing us this indication. The stochastic oscillator is showing that the green fast line is crossing the red orange color line down. So this is a clear indication that the price is gonna go down in a near time. So let's wait for the result. Here is our first profit, $147.42. We're gonna go ahead and make our next option is gonna be $147. And as you can see, this situation played out well. The stochastic is a really powerful tool that you can use for your trading. This is one of my favorites. Let's put in 147, go to this currency over here. And what we see here is the situation is the vice versa. We see, first of all, we see we're touching. Let's go to make this put option now. So we see the situation with stochastic different. It goes from bottom. It crosses the green line, crosses the orange line from bottom going up. So this means, generally it means that the price is going to go up, and it does. It does go up, but right now what happens is the price touches the resistance level. And will it cross the resistance level? That's the question. And for now, I think we have time to use this situation to our advantage, and it's gonna go up and down for a bit, maybe just touch the resistance level, and here we are. And basically we have time for it to go back down, like a pullback of the price. But generally this is a good indication to go in long if you have a few minutes time, for example, on your time section. And here we have made the right choice here. As you can see, now it continues to grow the price. Again, this is the idea behind the decisions. Let's go to this one here, and we see this situation is similar, but right now we're gonna make a call option here for $275 for 1 minute, and the price, we can see that the price had crossed now the resistance level. So it's breaking through the resistance level. Will it have enough time for us to stay there? Will it have enough power? Looking at the graph, looking at the power of this bullish trend, I say yes. So therefore, this decision comes from there. So if you see there was only one small pullback in form of one candle, one red candle, but the rest of it is pretty bullish. So I see a nice bullish trend. And it enters now. I'm pretty sure about the result here. So you see it enters now the zone of being overbought, overcharged, kind of overheated market. And here we have $522 of profit. And actually, right now, this trend might change, as you can see, of the stochastic. We'll go to the next one. And here, $525 option. We're going to go ahead and place there is a bullish trend going on still. We see this resistance line. but will it go through it? We're gonna go ahead and think yes. So we're gonna go ahead with call option 525 for 1 minute, and let's have a look. Let's have a look how that plays out. And here we have a really nice profit already, almost 1,000 here. So we're gonna go ahead and place $990 option now. And this one is going to be, so looking at that, the stochastic has crossed the orange line down, the price is going down, so we're gonna use that situation. 1 minute is probably enough time before it gets to this support level. So we'll go ahead and use put option for this, and let's wait for the result. Here is the great profit, $1,871. So that means we're gonna go ahead and make multiple option now, and we're gonna make 2 options to make it even, to make 1,800 option. We're gonna make a double $900 option. So let's see, let's have a look. As a clear indication of the price going down, the bearish market. So there we are, put option for 1,800, and yeah, 1 minute time. Let's wait for the result. And here we are, a double option of $1,728, 3,535 in total. So that means we're gonna go ahead and make the next option with 1,000 in the investment section, and we're gonna make a $3,000 option since we have that balance. And basically this is the compound percentage where we use the entirety of our balance to make the next option. That's what makes it grow substantially. And here you see me making this $3,000 option, and the price is actually turned a bit. It's at the resistance levels basically, and I mean the stochastic is in the area of being overheated, which is above 80, as you can see, and the stochastic is going up and down, and the price basically entered into a flat. And that means when it reaches the resistance levels, if it stands there for a bit, it's losing its power. So the market is losing its power. Right now the market is overheated, and we can expect the price going down from that. When it collects there, it sits there for a bit, most likely the price will go down when it's in an overheated section. When it's not, it actually is a good indication the price could go up. But in this case, as you can see, we made a profit, and our profit for today is $6,235. We're gonna stop here, guys. If you enjoy this content, let me know. Let me know in the comments, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all next time. Don't forget about the description to this video. All the best. Bye.